Good evening, Miss Sylvia. My name is Ali Zulfikar. I will tell you about famous hacker in the world. Jonathan James, young black hat hacker. Jonathan Joseph James, that's his full name. A young American who was born on December 12, 1983. He is known as the young black hat hacker because at the age of only 16, he managed to hack to defense that threat reduction agency security system, which is a branch from the US Department of Security. Through this action, James was able to steal username, password, and few secret emails. James also managed to break into NASA computer and steal software at a price of 1.7 million US dollar. The US Department of Justice said that the software that was stolen by James was linked to the International Space Station, including setting the temperature and humidity in space. Because of James doing, NASA had to shut down an L of this computer network at a cost of use for 41,000 US dollar. James James was the first teenager to be convicted federally for this type of criminal computer hacking, operating under Comrade James hacked into NASA and Department of Defense computer for fun. Among his stunts was the he broke through at Marshall Space Flight Center in Huntsville, Alabama, and downloaded environmental control software for the International Space Station, a program that controls temperature and humidity on the living space station. James was sentenced to 6 months of house arrest. I was just looking around, playing around. What is fun for Mike is challenge to see it can do, said James. James' attack were carried out to target high-profile organization. It installed a backdoor to defense agency server. DTRA is a Department of Defense agency tasked with reducing threat to America and its allies from nuclear. It's alien from nuclear, biological, chemical, conventional, and special weapon. The backdoor he created allow him to view sensitive emails and capture username and password of him on place. The government is not taking too many security measures on most of their computer. James told PBS Frontline at the time. They don't really take computer security seriously, and that's a hard part to learn. I know a lot about Unix and C language because I study all of the books and I was on the computer for so long. But the hard part does come immediately from learning to know what you're doing. The bulk of James' attack involved attacking NASA computer stole software worth an estimate 1.7 million US dollar. According to the Department of Justice, the software support the physical environment of the International Space Station, including in control of temperature and humidity in the living space. NASA computer system were forced to shut down and in the cost 41,000 US dollar. James explained that download the code to complete his study of C programming, but the code itself sucks. Currently not worth the $1.7 million appraised as the claim. One 18 May 2008, Jonathan James Acacom ended his work. Secret Service again accused him of being part of conspiracy responsible for the biggest identity theft in U.S. history. He was found dead as a result of his own gunshot wound in his home on 18 May 2008, less than 2 weeks after his house was raided by agents in connection with the hacking that penetrated, among other, TGX, DSWV, and other of his own page fish of his suicide note. James wrote that West innocent, but federal officials believed he would make him scapegoat. James' father recalls that his son was a computer geek who started playing with the family PC at the age of 6 and poured his own computer from Windows to Linux in high school. Prior to the NASA attack in January 2000, Robert James and his wife used to argue with their son over computer use late into night. At the point James present took I was their son computer, then at age of 13 he ran away from home and called his mother to say that he would not come back. Once is he got his PC back, he tracked down his parents on the street border books. Robert James cocked as I remember the story. So yes, he likes this type of computer. Thank you.